How does air conditioner chemical wash works? Looking for aircon chemical wash? Air conditioning systems need regular maintenance like other machines and equipment. This increases the lifespan of your unit and keeps it working at high efficiency to avoid wasting energy. You can do some of the maintenance work yourself, like cleaning the filters occasionally. The internet is a good source of information regarding proper cleaning of your air conditioner. However, even if you can see detailed steps of how to clean the evaporator and condenser from the internet, these tasks are better handled by a trained technician since it includes removal of some parts. If you get this wrong, you may damage your unit. One thing your technician may suggest at one point is a chemical wash. This may sound harsh to you since it mentions the use of chemicals, but this is a necessary step to keep your unit running at its peak condition. Besides, the chemicals used are certified to be harmless if used properly. What happens during the chemical wash? The technician, basically, will have to dismantle the unit and clean each part thoroughly with a chemical reagent. This includes the filters, the evaporator coils, and the condenser. These are then immersed in a chemical solution to dissolve every form of dirt and scales that have accumulated. The drainage and pipes are also flushed with the chemical solution. Technicians and servicing companies also do other maintenance work in conjunction with a chemical wash, like charging the refrigerant, checking controls and thermostats, and testing the unit. This is why a chemical wash is sometimes referred to as a chemical overhaul, wherein the objective is to bring the unit to its good as new condition. A chemical wash is recommended to be done once a year. Old units, which have not been in use for some time, are definitely in need of this service to significantly improve their conditions. Benefits of chemical wash. After a chemical wash, you will notice many positive changes in your air conditioner. Any water leak problem would most likely be resolved. Bad odor will also be eliminated, which means that clean air is circulating in your home. You can expect a reduction in your electricity bill too. Finally, since your unit has been revived and is no longer overworked, its lifespan will significantly increase, making you enjoy your investment for a longer time.